Hi guys and gals, really short video today. I'm going to fit this flush mounting fuel cap and dummy fuel cap on the Sport Glide. So just to let's have a look at the Sport Glide as it is at the moment. So there you see fuel cap, chrome fuel cap and a dummy fuel cap. So we're going to replace these with black pop-up ones. So these are Harley Davidson, part number 61100132. Right, let's see what we got in the kit. If you've seen previous videos on my channel, you know I did this on my Sportster, but I didn't do, obviously on the Sportster hasn't got a dummy one. So that's the fuel cap. Right, and that is the ring that goes around the fuel cap, and that is the dummy one. So they should, oops, get it right Martin, they should pretty much look the same. Right, so in the box you've got some instructions as well. So we'll I don't think we need to worry too much about that. Let's have a look at what we got to do first on the bike. Right, so first thing we got, let's move that handlebars out of the way. First thing we got to do is to get this off. Now this is stuck on, it does move a little bit. Ideal for getting that off is fishing line. Haven't got any fishing line, so I'm going to use some floss, and I'm hoping that's going to do it. No, it worked very well, did it? Let's try a bit more. Oh, there's another go. I think perhaps I was being a little bit impatient the first time. You just got to take your time. Oh, it's breaking, but it's done it. So floss works, but you just got to be a little bit patient and don't go at it like a bull in a china shop like I did first time round. So that needs to be cleaned off. I've got some panel wipe. Oops. I got some panel wipe to get rid of that. I'll just spray that on this cloth. There. All nice and clean. The dummy one goes right on there like that, and it comes with a sticky pad. So when we do this, we've got to get it right. And we've got to get it right first time. Let's just give that another bit of a wipe over. Just to make sure that there's no grease or dirt or anything. Let's peel that off. I'll put that on like that. The thing that really hurts about this is, I think if you get just the fuel cap, it's about £80. But this little silly little bit of plastic as well, £120 the kit, which is typical Harley Davidson prices, isn't it? Or what they call what everyone calls the Harley tax. Right, let's do the other side. Okay, this side is a bit easier. Fuel cap comes off. Again, it's some panel wipe. Just to make sure there's no oil or grease or anything around there. And with this one, what we do, we put the fuel cap in first. And this ring fits over there, and the fuel cap guides it in. It fits over there perfectly. So by putting that down, fits over there absolutely perfectly. Hold that down, just try that, make sure that works. So again, peel the sticky off. Try to do this so you can see. Press down all round. That, my friends, is job done. I told you it was a quick video. Stay safe, ride safe. Until next time, bye bye.